Hey Terry, this is Paul Heck, and Adam and I are looking at your website, looking at what a website could do for you. And we've got your Facebook page pulled up. I know you guys do some kitchen remodeling and some other home improvement work. I'm just going to show you some things. So Google is trying to rank who is the authority in the area for, say, kitchen remodel or bathroom remodel, whatever services you guys do, home improvement, home remodels, and then whichever areas of the, which cities are you're working in. So the way that they do this is with number one, content. So you have to have at least 1,500 words of content minimum on your homepage. It has to be keyword rich. And what I mean there is the search terms that people put into Google when they're trying to find you, that's the keywords that we have to have on your website in that content. So 1,500 words minimum, keyword rich content. Second thing are what's called backlinks. So these are other external websites that link back to yours that have these keywords on them, and that keyword links back to your site, passing power to you in Google's eyes. So those are what we call backlinks. Third thing are citations. This is your name, address, and phone number for your business listed on these online directories like Manta, yellowpages.com, b2byellowpages.com. There's thousands of these directories. We list these out there. We look at what your competitor's doing. Usually they have 20 to 30 of these, and we're going to go get 80 to 100 just so that they're always playing catch up to us. So doing these three things together will boost you up in the organic search rankings. Now there's other things that we need to do on the Google Business Profile. I'll go over that a little bit, but from the organic side, you have to do those things. You have to do the content and such and get that on your website. So let's look at, you guys are pulled up here for your Google Maps section. Your Google Business Profile. So this is going to help rank you in that map section. So your Google Business Profile, you need to be going after 5-star reviews. This is something that we can help you with by creating a QR code that you can just have your customers leave you a 5-star review right when you're done. And that's a great way to get a review. Those are key and crucial to ranking this up in the map section. In addition to that, you have to have, again, content on the business description that has keywords in it, showing people, and Google where you do this work and which services you provide. And then you also need to post regularly on the Google Business Profile. So we always do about one a week. So 4 or 5 times a month we're putting a post out there that's creating content around that. It's got keywords in it, and this is again going to help strengthen your Google Business Profile and push you up in the search ranking. Now looking at, just say, home remodel in Owensboro. So you've got Angie's List pulling up at the top. You've got a couple of sponsored people up in the Google Guaranteed section. And then you've got this Ben Clark Jr. remodeling, J&R Construction Services. Then you've got the map section down here. So I pulled up Ben's website. He's got a decent looking website. Graphically, it looks pretty good. It's loading across there. You can see it's loading fully. He's got a little bit of content, just some nice images, which is really great to profile. It's, got some accolades on here as well, but the content that he have is just not enough content to, meet that 1,500 words minimum. Now, and the way that gets reflected is you can see that in his strength of his website. So his domain rating is an 18, and that is decent. He's got a URL ranking of 9, and that's okay for his whole site. And he's got some backlinks, you can see. He just doesn't have enough content, and this is where he's fallen off, to have the keywords picked up for where he's doing business, and really to power up all these backlinks need to be powering up these keywords. So looking at what he's being found for, he's being found for bathroom remodeling in Owensboro, Kentucky. That gets searched 30 times a month by people there. It has a 0 on the keyword difficulty, which I like to see this. I like to see high volume and low keyword difficulty, and he's currently ranking in number 7 for that. So when you type in that, he should be in number 7 position. Home improvement, Owensboro, you've got another 10 people searching for that a month. You've got, let's see, kitchen remodel, Kentucky, 60 searches a month. You've got, let's see, kitchen remodeling, Kentucky, 50 searches a month. Remodeling, Kentucky, 20 searches a month. So you can start to see, like, there's this, you can add up all of this content and, all of these keywords, and you start to get a pretty good volume of people searching for your services. Another one that popped up in the top was this Honeydew Service. This is going to be like a national franchise, and you're seeing that that's reflected in their 18 on the domain rating. That's usually what I see with a company like this. but a 1.5 on the URL. So they're just not going after enough on that. 28 backlinks coming through 9 different places. They do have 24 keywords. Let's look at what their keywords are. Home improvement Owensboro, 10 searches. Honeydew home improvements, 70. Home improvement services near me. That's nationwide, so that's 450 searches. Let's see. Bathroom remodeling Owensboro, 30 searches. Vinyl siding, 20 searches. And you just kind of go on, and I go and I look for like what are the services that you provide and where are they going to fall in the keywords list and the keywords ranking. So remodeling Evansville, Indiana. Let's look at it real quick. I know you might work up in Evansville. You've got Martin Brothers here in their website. It's a decent looking website. They've got a little bit of content, just not very much at all. And looking at what they're being ranked for, replacement doors. Let's see, bathroom remodel in Evansville, 60 searches a month. They're in position 11. You got home improvements in Evansville, 30 searches a month. They're in position 9. Evansville bathroom remodeling, 60 searches a month. You've got a lot of people looking for garage doors. Man, 500 searches a month. Let's look at interior painters, maybe. Evansville contractors, 150 searches a month. They're in position 23. So again, we look at the keywords, figure out what is the best strategy and what to go for what services you provide, and then match that up and then go after that on your website. Just again to review, it's 1,500 words minimum of content. It's got to be keyword rich. We've got to create backlinks. We've got to look at what our competition's doing and create a backlinks strategy to beat them based on not just quantity but better backlinks. And then third thing is citations. This is your name, address, and phone number listed on those online directories. Doing all this together boosts you up in the search rankings, starts to bring, get your phone to ringing more. Again, my name is Paul Heck, and if you have any questions, definitely reach out. Adam's going to follow up with you and just see if you have any questions and if it's something that you are looking to go after and increase your business this year. We would love to help you do that and make 2024 just a banner year for you.